How much should you actually spend on a nose and ear hair trimmer? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Zorami Blue Trimmer. Let's kick things off with the Zorami Ear and Nose Hair Trimmer in blue. Priced at just $14.99, this one caught my attention right away with its sleek design and bestseller badge. If you want a reliable tool for removing unwanted hair, this is worth a serious look. You can easily trim hair from your nose, ears, and even eyebrows. It's also IPX7 waterproof, so you can clean it under running water or even use it in the shower. It gets over 92,000 reviews with an impressive 4.4-star rating, so it's clear people are satisfied with their purchase. Now, some people complained about the battery not being included. Here's the thing though, it runs for more than 6 months on a single AA battery, which is pretty good for a low-maintenance grooming tool. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly, straightforward trimmer that just works. Skip this one if you prefer a rechargeable option. For the price, it's a solid buy. Now, if the need for a battery bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Zorami Pink Trimmer. Next up is the Zorami Ear and Nose Hair Trimmer in pink, also priced at $14.99. Honestly, it's the same great design but in a more stylish color. If you're looking for a trimmer that fits your aesthetic while delivering quality, this is worth a serious look. Just like its blue sibling, this trimmer features dual-edge spinning blades that effectively remove hair without the discomfort of pulling. Plus, it's also waterproof, making it easy for you to clean up. With over 92,000 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it's clear that this product is beloved by many. Now, some users mention the design may feel a bit bulky for smaller hands, but really, it's designed for versatility and ease of use, making it easier to control during those tricky spots. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish yet effective trimmer. Skip this one if you have particularly small hands that might struggle with the grip. It's a good value for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a rechargeable solution. Product number 3, XOOMRSCP Trimmer. Let's move on to the XOOMRSCP Nose Hair Trimmer, priced at $16.99. This rechargeable trimmer really stood out to me with its multifunctionality. If you want a 2-in-1 trimmer that's easy to use, this one is worth a serious look. This device features a powerful 10,000 RPM motor that quickly and painlessly removes unwanted hair. Plus, it comes USB rechargeable, so you can easily power it up. 2 hours of charging gives you 2-3 months of use. It also boasts a solid 4.5-star rating from over 5,300 reviews. Now, some users reported that the charging time can be a bit long, but honestly, given the months of use you get from it, I'd say it's a fair trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want something rechargeable that's easy to maintain. Skip this one if you prefer disposable batteries. For the price, it's a great investment. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more power and features, the next one is an excellent choice. Product number 4, MANSCAPD Weed Whacker 3. Up next is the MANSCAPD Weed Whacker 3, priced at $39.97. I was genuinely surprised by the added features this one brings to the table. If you want ultimate precision and control, this trimmer is worth a serious look. This trimmer includes a skin-safe dual-head system that reduces nicks and cuts while providing a more accurate trim. An LED spotlight is built in, which can light up those tricky areas, making trimming your nose and eyebrows a breeze. Plus, it's rechargeable with a robust runtime of up to 60 minutes, which is solid for any grooming session. It has a 4.5-star rating with over 750 reviews. Now, some users mentioned that it's on the pricier side compared to other options. However, if you value precision and features, it might be worth the investment for you. This is perfect for you if you prioritize high-quality grooming tools with added functionality. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. It's a premium option that can make a significant difference in your grooming routine. Finally, we have a great budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on power. Product number 5, Yenote Trimmer. Last but not least, we have the Yinote ear and nose hair trimmer priced at $16.99. This one caught my eye because it combines power with user-friendliness. If you want a reliable trimmer that's easy to use and maintain, this is worth a serious look. This trimmer boasts a powerful 13,000 RPM motor and dual-edge blades that allow for a smooth trimming experience without any discomfort. The USB Type-C charging means faster recharges, and just 2 hours gives you 3 months of use. With a digital LED display, you can easily keep track of battery life, which is a nice touch. It has a solid rating of 4.5 stars from 580 reviews. Now, some users found the noise level a bit higher than expected. But considering the power it offers, I think it's a fair compromise for the effectiveness you get. This is perfect for you if you want something powerful yet easy to maintain. Skip this one if a quieter operation is your top priority. For the price, it's a great pick that doesn't disappoint. To wrap it all up, each of these trimmers has something unique to offer. The ZORAMI options are budget-friendly and effective, while the XOOMRSCP brings rechargeable convenience. The MANSCAPED Weed Whacker offers premium features, and the Yinote strikes a balance between power and ease of use. Depending on your needs, there's a great option here for everyone.